Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So for today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. It's still going to be makeup related because I am going to be doing my full face on here, but I do have a surprise and it's kind of gross, but at the same time it's kind of satisfying. Oh my god. I'm subscribed to another beauty channel that I really like, so I'm gonna go ahead and link down her name below if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe to her. She's amazing, and I had seen that she had done this and I was like, oh my god, this looks so cool. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. At the same time, it looked kind of nasty. Well, not kind of, it looked really nasty. Whenever I ordered it and received it, the first thing I did was try it on myself, and then I tried it on my husband, I tried it on my kids, I tried it on my brother, I tried it on everyone. And you guys, oh my god, you guys are not gonna believe how disgusting and how dirty your skin is, and you can pretty much see like all your pores. Okay, so what we're gonna be playing with and messing with today is gonna be this microscope. It's super little and cute, but don't let the little microscope fool you. Like, this little thing is so powerful. It really digs inside your skin. You guys are gonna be shook on what we find on my skin. It's gonna be so nasty. But I do want to go ahead and advise you guys before I do start this video and warn you guys that if you guys get disgusted really quick, this video is not going to be for you because it's super nasty. But like I said, it's satisfying for me at the same time. It's really gross on what I find. So if you guys are interested in knowing how my skin does with this little microscope, stay tuned and keep on watching. So I already went in and washed my face. I already cleaned it, but I am going to take these little wipes and just kind of go over my skin one more time just to make sure that I don't have any makeup on. So I want to go ahead and remind you guys that I am a little bit oily down my T-zone and my chin. Other than that, I do have more to dry skin. Okay, so here we go. Oh, yep, there we go. Do y'all see my freaking pores? How nasty they look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ew. Oh my god. Do you guys see that one? Ew, what the hell is that? Hold on. That seriously looks like a freaking snail, like coming out of its shell. Oh my god, guys. Like, up close, like with the mirror in front of me, I don't see anything. But this literally like digs inside your skin and finds everything. That looks so nasty. What the? Oh my god. Literally just looks like something stuck in there. Like, if you would just pop it out, like all kinds of like freaking pus or like grasa would come out. Oh my god. That's nasty. Let me do my eyebrows. Let's see how clean they are, how good they look. They look so shiny and thick. Like, your hair's super thick up close. Do y'all see something in there? It's like stuck in there in between those two little hairs. Do y'all see it? Ugh. I'm losing it, I'm losing it. No. Oh, it's so hard to mess with this thing. Look how thick they look. They look gross. Okay, enough with that. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my makeup now, and I will be showing you guys like everything that I do apply on with this little microscope to see how it really does look with makeup. My skin actually looks good right now, except it's red, you know, but it's always red. But you wouldn't think that I would have like all this nasty stuff, like all this grasa like on my face, how it showed on here. That's so nasty. So this is my little brown brush that I use. I am going to put it under the microscope and see how dirty it is. Oh my god. Dude, this is literally like probably like a year old. And I try to clean it like at least twice a month. which I should be cleaning it like at least once a week, but you know, I just use it on myself. So that's what's gonna be touching my brow. That's what's been touching my brow, imagine. Okay, so now that I have my brows, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks with product. That's how it really looks. Oh my god, guys. Do y'all see that? Oh my god, no, don't lose it, don't lose it. Do y'all see that nasty thing? Oh my god. Literally it looks like a little baby in there, like of some kind of snail or something. What the hell is that? Oh my god. Look at that little bubble of like dip brow on my little hair. Do y'all see it? Look. Guys. Oh my god. Can y'all see all those creases on my eyelid and where the concealer is just like hanging in there? God, it looks so nasty. What is that? I think that's a little sparkle, but it looks super big on this microscope. I'm gonna go back in with the James Charles palette. I am packing this red inside the crease. And you want to start shaping it into kind of like a half circle. And then I'm going in with this smaller, fluffier brush. It's from Morphe as well, but it doesn't have a name or a number. So then now I'm just taking the orange and doing patting motions. Now I'm taking the yellow. Let's see if it's blended. Okay, so there's the red, the orange, and the yellow. And then my nasty brows, oh my god. But yes, it looks pretty good. Okay, let me cut my crease real quick. So I find it easier if I go ahead and cut my crease from the inner corner to the outer corner. I said it before in my past videos, and that's how I create my halo eye. Back then I used to, you know, just do like the little thing right here, like the little cut in the middle, but I don't know, it would never come out good. And then I decided to try this method, and it's actually worked really good. Okay, so now I will be taking the yellow shade with the smaller detailed brush, and this one's in the number M560. It's a smaller pointy brush, really good for details. So you're just going to start adding a line, creating a V, pretty much. And I'm going in with this orange. And then finally that red. So now that I have that blended, I'm gonna apply some glitter at the top. And the glitter I'm using is the NYX, and it's the one in silver. This one. Go ahead and see how glitter actually looks under a microscope. Ooh, fancy. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my lashes. The lashes that I'm using right now, I've probably been using them for maybe like 2 weeks already. They're super good. I always talk about them in all my videos. That's all I wear with every look that I do, any eye look. and we're gonna see how they look. I already tried to clean them, you know, like with the little tweezer. I take off the glue and stuff and clean them, but we're gonna see how really cleaned I cleaned them. Y'all, they are super crusty. Oh my god. That's literally old glue, and every time I clean them, it seems like I take off all the glue that's on there. But look, guys. Oh my god, what the hell is that? Do y'all see it right there? Oh my god. Can't believe I'm wearing these lashes. I see all dirty. Oh my god. Okay guys, so there's the top. Oh my god, look how crusty they look. There's my glue. That's the glue at the very top. Do y'all see all that residue? The primer I am going to use today, it is actually for dry skin because I told you guys I do have dry skin. Okay, so the one I'm using is this one, the Glow Lock from L'Oreal. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and spread it out with the sponge. Oh my god. That looks so nasty. It literally looks like freaking damn pimples with pus in them. Do y'all see that? Okay, the only thing I see is my little pelitos really slicked down, combed down, so I can still see my pores and everything. Other than that, seems like the only thing that worked is slicking down my hairs. Look, it looks like a pube hair. Oh my god. See my nose. This did not work to blur out my pores. Nope, nope, nope. Next time I am going to go in with the matte primer and I'm going to see how it does with that. And hopefully it does cover my pores. Because guys, oh my god. Okay, so I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And we're going to see how it actually leaves my skin. Because from here in front of the mirror, it leaves it really soothing, really soft. But up close, I have a feeling it's gonna look horrible también. So lately I've been thinking that, I don't know if it's the lighting or if it's just me, that I've been changing colors, I don't know. But whenever I've been taking pictures, I come out a little bit darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with this one, the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. This one is supposed to be matte. Actually pretty satisfying, like finding all this stuff that I just wish like I could just go in there and actually find them and just pop them. Ay, me desespera. Literally from here, my skin looks super flawless. You wouldn't think it would actually be looking like this. So cringy and milky and ugh. Okay, so I had to go and pick up my hair because ya me dio calor. It was getting hot in here. And then I did went ahead and finished the bottom eye, and I did apply some highlight, and then just did like this side, like the highlight, the bronzer, and then added some blush. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and show you on this side. So I am using the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. I don't actually bake for the same reason that I do have dry skin, so I don't want it to feel really tight and super dry. It actually looks matte now. Of course, I did apply some glitter on top of the eye, so maybe that's fallout. But, oh wait. Oh. Okay, so I'm not gonna contour really, I'm just gonna bronze up. Going in with the Pure Cosmetics. Okay, so I'm gonna do my under eye real quick. I'm just gonna apply some red and then go in with the yellow. For my inner corner, I did use the Stila. I don't know how you pronounce that brand, but this one, it's an eyeshadow, but it's one of those chrome ones, so it's a really pretty eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use that as my inner corner highlight. And then real quick, I'm just gonna contour my nose, and then we are done. Oh, you know what? Let me go in with the Microscope into my highlighter. My favorite one, which is the Pure Cosmetics, this one. I wanna see how sparkly or shiny it looks. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. It's kind of blinding. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's where I'm running low. Wow, it's really pretty. Hey guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys didn't get too grossed out, because I know I did. On one of those times I wanted a gag, but at the same time it was satisfying. I don't know if you're that type of girl or guy that likes to watch those kind of things, you know, like pimples and all that stuff. It's nasty, but you know, you find it satisfying, then you're gonna like this video. If not, I'm sorry. I just had to do this video. I just found it so interesting and gross at the same time, but I really wanted you guys to see how actually your skin is without makeup and how it is with makeup. But give me a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys thought it was disgusting. I'm pretty sure you guys are all gonna think that it was disgusting, because I know I did. And I hope you guys like this look that I came up with. Also, don't forget to enter our giveaway. Me and Rosita are having a giveaway. If you guys want to know more about this giveaway, you guys can go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, or just go ahead and check it out. I will be linking down my Instagram below. If not, go ahead and watch my last video. I will put it down here as well. That way you guys can know what we're giving away and when the deadline is and all the rules and all that good stuff. But before you guys do leave this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. You guys can be on top of every video that I do upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!